Good day, viewers, my online followers, and my students. I still remain your popular teacher, also known as Uncle Doke. Today, we'll be teaching on indices in mathematics. And for you to understand indices, there are certain laws or rules that must be followed. So we'll just look at some of the laws today, and in my subsequent class, we'll look at the other laws. So I want to complicate the topic. So look at the law 1 of indices. X raised to power a times x raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a plus b. Please take note, these base must be the same. That means x raised to power a times y raised to power b. Please, it's not the same as x raised to power a plus b. No. The bases are different. So since the bases are different, it cannot be equal to this. So the base must be set for these laws to follow. A law, a simple rules you must follow. Okay, example. 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 4. You see, it is the same base. So you take one of the base, just as the law states, to now be a, which is 3, plus b, which is what? 4. So now be 3 plus 4 equals to 2 raised to power 7. So don't go and write something like this. 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 2. Please, it is not the same base. So this law will cover. The base has to be the same. Now let's go to the second law, which says that x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b divide. It will now be x, you take one of the common base, a minus b. So this minus will let you know is division. The base must be the same. Okay, 5 raised to, example now is 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So you take one of the base 5, then a 4 minus 2. So we'll give 5 raised to power 2. Then the third law, x raised to power minus a, it is equal to, if you want to make this known and positive, because this negative, if you want to make it positive, it will be reciprocal. That means 1 over x raised to power what? A. That is going to become positive. You take the reciprocal, it will become what? Positive. Or, we turn this other way. 1 raised to power, 1 over x raised to power A. 1 over x power is equal to x raised to power minus a. So if you follow these laws, it will guide us in solving indices. There are other laws, but for this first class, we'll stick to this law. Okay, now let's solve. Sorry, my poster is not in. Let's solve this for today. Solution. Let's solve this question for today. Solution. X raised to power 5 times x raised to power 4 over x raised to power 10 is equal to, according to the indices law, you see it is times. So which law are we going to follow? We'll follow this law. We'll follow this law. Because it is times. Follow this law. Our A is what? 5. Plus our B is what? 4. Yes, follow this law over x raised to power 10 is equal to x raised to power 5 plus 4, 9 over x raised to power 10. Now, you remember this law now. For this A to come up, it will change to minus. So it's equal to x raised to power 9. Not like this division. It's division, like this division, like that. So it can be 9 minus 10 because it's division. This division, S9, this 9 stands for what? Division. 10. So 9 minus 10. Or you can say this way. For this one, just like this third law, for this one to come up, it will change to what? Minus. So answer is equal to x raised to power 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So either you need to answer like that, or you see this minus 1, or to change to 1 over x raised to power 1. Normally, when the x raised to power 1, you don't write the 1 there. 1 over x. This is our answer. So we are going to stop here for today. Our next class, we are going to continue with other law of indices and solve more practical questions. So we'll come to the end of the teaching today. Please do like, share, and comment. Bye.